Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today it's time for my report on my Ipsy challenge. It was my October Ipsy challenge. This was my bag. I used the products for about 10 days and I'm going to show you what I think. I'm Melanie, I like makeup. Welcome to my channel. I'm not a beauty guide or guru and influencer or anything. I just happen to be a normal person, 45 years old with rosacea and sensitive skin, and I make videos 2 a week. Subscribe to my channel right now and let's get started. Okay, Ipsy time. I love Ipsy time. Okay, so I decided to not just do my reveal video, which I really love doing, but I wanted to do kind of more of a review of the products, and so I call it my Ipsy challenge. I try and use every item for at least a week and see what I think. So here was the Who Said Nights Were for Sleeping. You know, this is such a cute bag, isn't it? All right, but masquerade or what? I don't know. I love it. All right, so the first item was this brush. It's a little dirty because I just used it on this eye look. This is Little Miss. Right down here, Little Miss brush. I find it as a nice blending brush. I really feel like this is the wrong brush. I didn't find it so good for packing on color or anything. It's like one of those nice brushes that doesn't really absorb enough, but then it allows you to brush it out exactly as you want. That's what I like it for. It does add color though too, and it has a little bit of sparkle, see? Anyway, good brush. I don't know that I would have bought it on my own, but I love it. Okay, I'm gonna use it. I used it today, and well, I had to as my Ipsy challenge, but I will continue to use it because it is a good brush and it's really pretty. The end is blue, but I have purple on it, so there. I should have showed you a clean one. All right, the next thing in my bag was, oh, I'm not even showing it here. I'm kind of afraid of how big this hair could get. All right, one day, we don't know how long it's gonna last, we'll test out the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. Let's see, does it say anything else? It's definitely texturizing. It's a volumizing spray. I used it like twice. There's more left in the bottle. I know it was for a week, but I don't use dry shampoo very often. It looked amazing when I first did. It is texturizing and volumizing, and it looked amazing. It did not last all day though. By about 4 hours later, my hair was starting to look pretty greasy. Maybe my hair is just greasy, but it really looked good. Like, I'm thinking, like, I personally won't use it as a dry shampoo. I should have used it like now for like when I just want a little body in normally dry hair, because wow, it was really cool. So would I buy it? I don't know the price. I would be super tempted because the amount of texture I got out of my hair was phenomenal for me, flathead person. Okay, next up, oh, let's do this. This is Nomad Eyeshadow. Check it out. I loved it. All right, first day's look using all my Ipsy products. Pretty exciting. I gotta run out and just get right out. The color looks like this. It comes out a lot more pinkish. Look. This is like my color of this season. I've just been obsessed with purples, and to get a purple in my Ipsy bag, or a pinkish purple, was just like icing on the cake. Happiest moment ever, and blends very well, lasts very long, and even with a brush it came out pretty well. Not the most pigmented with the brush, but it really built to a nice thing, and I just put it on my finger and I really don't care about that. So I loved it. Thank you, Nomad. Beautiful eyeshadow. I can't thank you enough. Next up was StarShaped Tape. I've always wanted it. What color is this? It's a light something. Okay. I thought it was the most amazing freaking thing I ever used when I first put this on, because I was thinking about what everybody else says, and then I put it on, and I put it on just like I watch the beauty gurus put it on, and It works so amazing. I do think it's a little too light for me because I'm like, ugh. So I would personally, and I wasn't drying at all, but that's just because I am super oily. If you've seen my like wear tests and foundations, like I grease pit, right? So I wear my makeup hard. So this worked amazing for me. First day of Shape Tape, what do you think? Wish me luck, it's raining and miserable. Okay, so then I put it to the test. I put it up against my normal concealer, which is like, it's Lime Life by Alcone one, but it's also like Kryolan Camouflage Cream or something. And you know what? It wasn't that much better than that. I thought this was the bomb, right? And then I put it up against the ColourPop one, and it wasn't that much different. I don't know what was it when I put it both on at the same time. I still think I'd get it though. I think like sometimes when you get this thing in your head, like something is the bomb and like it looks so fun and pretty, and it does work really well, especially for me not drying or cakey at all. I would buy it again probably. I'm going to probably do a real test video of one eye, one color, one, you know, to try it out. But for now, fuck, I love this. Thank you, Ipsy. That was the best. And then the last thing was this Yensa Tone Up Primer. It did not, okay, it says it's glowing too. It says like essential glow. I did not get any glow from it because I have so much rosacea and it didn't really tone my skin at all. I can imagine on fairer skin, it isn't so red underneath, it might do something, but for me it did nothing. However, it was a really great primer. I probably wouldn't buy it because it says all these things like it's supposed to do amazing things and it doesn't do any of those for me. I'd probably just stick with a regular primer, but really, it might help my foundation last all day. I think I did a 12-hour check-in at once. And let's cut to some footage and you can see me wearing all this stuff. Okay, outdoor footage with the primer you can't see, but usually my skin looks worse, so I'm pretty pleased with how it helped the texture of my skin. So it looked pretty good outside. This is like a 12-hour check-in after the primer. And Lime Life by Alcone Foundation. And I have outdoor footage earlier today of this. And this is what I'm looking like late at night with my rum and coke. Check it out. Thanks for watching. That's it. That was my extended review of my Ipsy October challenge. Bye-bye.